Can you say apple? Can you say apple? Apple? Can I say apple?
Apple?
Yeah. Can I say diaper? Can I say diaper? Diaper? Can I say? Diaper? Yeah. Can you say sparkle? Can you say sparkle? Sparkle? Sparkle not here, but can you say sparkle? Yeah. That's pretty good. Okay, let's try different words that don't sound like bopple. Can you say ball? Can you say ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say ball?
Ball.
Ball. Yeah. Can you say boot? Boot? Yeah, on your foot. Boot. Yeah, on your foot. Can you say stinky? Can you say stinky? Stinky. Babu. Can I say stinky?
Stinky.
Stinky. Can you say turkey? Turkey. He said, why are we doing this? Can you say block? Block. Block. Yeah. Can chicken say? What does the bear say?
Wow.
What does the bear say? Row.
Boo.
What does the bear say? Bugdoo. What does kitty say? What does kitty cat say?
Wow.
No, the bear says row. What does kitty cat say? Meow. What does kitty cat say? What does cow say? You know what a cow says? What does cow say? Moo. That's funny, huh? That's funny. Okay. Thank you, Ed. Thank you. Say thank you. Bye-bye.